Guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix app name is not showing on your iPhone. So as you can see guys, app icon showing but the app name is missing. Don't worry, this is a common iOS issue and I will show you how to fix this problem 100%. Okay, so when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to restart your iPhone. Okay, one time just power off your iPhone and turn it back on. After doing this guys, check the app name is showing or not. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to open the phone settings. Okay, in the phone settings, scroll down and find out display and brightness. Okay, in the display and brightness, scroll down and here you need to find out display zoom setting. Just open it and here you need to set this setting to default. Okay, and then tap on done. Now after doing this guys, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Tap and hold on empty space on your iPhone, and here in the top side here you can get the edit button option. Just click on it. From here you need to select customize option. Okay, and here you need to select the small. If the option was selected to large, you need to select small. After doing this guys, yes, as you can see guys, the app name is now showing, but still the problem is same on your iPhone. You can try the next method. Now you need to open your iPhone settings once again. In the iPhone settings, go to journal. In the journal, scroll down and here you can get the option transfer or reset iPhone. Select this. From here you need to select only reset option. In the reset option, only need to reset home screen layout only. After doing this guys, it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. If your phone is not up to date, you need to update your iPhone as well. To update your phone, once again go to journal and here you need to select software update. If the update is available, simply go ahead, update your phone. After updating, it will 100% fix your problem. Okay, one more bonus method is this guys, you need to also turn off focus mode. To turn off these guys, you need to open the control center on your iPhone, and from here you can easily able to turn off that focus mode. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction, comment fix if your app name are back. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.